In this video, I am going to solve KCET 2018 Mathematics paper part 6. Let us move on to the first question, question number 51. This question based on the chapter vector, so particularly dot product. So in this case, A is given and vector B is given. In the vector A, lambda is there, in the vector B, mu is there. Both are orthogonal, one condition, and another one condition, magnitude of these two vectors is equal, then find the lambda and mu. So I am not solving this by an usual method, so I am solving by a shortcut method, nothing but in this case by inspection method. Here option A is correct. So option A satisfies both the two conditions, orthogonal and equality of magnitude is equal. So orthogonal means what? A dot B becomes 0. So A, here in this case lambda first, mu second, I coefficient 1, lambda 1 by 4 and 2. So dot B, mu 7 by 4. So option A in this case we take option A, 7 by 4, 1 minus 1. So 1 into 7 by 4, 7 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 2. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 4. 8 by 4, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence A dot B becomes 0. Both are orthogonal. Orthogonal condition satisfies. Second condition in this case, magnitude equal. So magnitude of A equal to the magnitude of B. So magnitude means what? 1 square, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 16 plus 2 square 4 is equal to square root of 49 divided by 16 plus 1 plus 1. So 16 4s are 64 plus 16 plus 1, 81 divided by 16. Here also 81 divided by 16. Both are same, magnitude is also same, and both are perpendicular. These two conditions satisfied by option A only, hence option A is correct. So this is easy question. All the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 52. This question based on the chapter 3D, which belongs to the second year. Usually they ask 5 or 6 questions on this chapter in KCET. In this case, let us take first question. Find the image. We have to find the image of this point with respect to the line. So I am not solving this question by an usual method, by means using the formula. This is lengthy process. Here options are weak. In this case directly we can find out by using a shortcut method. So here in this case point is there in this place 1 6 3, and with respect to the line, this is line is given, this is also given. Line means x by 1 y minus 1 divided by 2 equal to z minus 2 divided by 3. So we have to find out the image of this point with respect to this line, particularly opposite in this case. This we have to find out. These are the options, whatever it may be in this case. So if this point we take first option A. So here option A is correct in this case. We take option A 1 0 7. So if this is image of this point, this is given, this is required. So if this required point is image of this given point, image of this is image of this given point, this is must and should be midpoint. So using the midpoint rule, find the midpoint. This midpoint lies on the line, so this midpoint satisfies the line equation. So this is correct option. So check by as it is option B, option C, option D if option A is wrong. So in this case option A is correct. 1 7 1 0 7, 1 plus 1 2, 2 by 2 1, 6 by 2 3, 10 by 2 5. 1 3 5 is the midpoint in this case. This is lies on this line. So this is lies on this line. X 1 1 by 1 1 equal to 3 minus 1 2 by 2 1 equal to 5 minus 2 3 by 3 1. So hence this is correct image of this point. So option A is correct in this case. So this is easy question. All the students solve this question easily in this way. So take down. So now let us move on to the question number 53. Once again, this question based on the chapter 3D, particularly angle between the lines. So in this case, we have to find out the angle between the lines. Here in this case, lines are not in standard form. First find out the standard form lines. So here it can be written as x by 1 by 2 equal to y by 1 by 3 equal to z by minus 1, and second line x by 1 by 6 equal to y by minus 1 equal to z by minus 1 by 4. So here options, in the options 0 is there and 90 degree is there. This is perpendicularism, this is parallelism. First we have to check the perpendicular and parallelism. If otherwise you can find out the angle between them using a formula. So in this case, first check perpendicularism. Perpendicularism means what? Direction ratios of these two lines, sum of the product of direction ratios becomes what? 0. So in this case 1 by 2 into 1 by 6, 1 by 12 plus 1 by plus into minus, minus 1 by 3 minus into minus plus 1 by 4. So take LCM 12 1, 4 3 4 is a minus 4, 4 is a plus 3, 0. 0 by 1 by 12, 0. So perpendicular, these two lines are perpendicular because A dot here in this case L1, these two product of direction ratios of these two lines are 0, hence 90 degree, angle between them is 90 degree. Option C is correct. So easy question, all the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 54. Once again, this question based on the chapter 3D. So let us see the question in this case. Find the value of K, that the line, this line lies on this plane. It is the mixture of line and plane. So draw the rough figure of this question. So here plane is given. So this is 2x minus 4y plus z is equal to 7. This line lies on this plane. So this type. So line lies on this plane. Both are given. So this line is also given. X minus 4 divided by 1, y minus 2 divided by 1, z minus k divided by 2. So this is in the form of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. So x1, y1, z1 is the point lies on this line. So that is 4 to k. So if 4 to k lies on this line, then the line lies on this plane in this case. So here line is also lies on this plane, hence this point lies on this plane. So this satisfies the plane equation. We get the answer in this case k. So put this point in this plane because lies on this plane. 2 4s are 8 minus 4 2s are 8 plus zk equal to 7, k equal to 7 is the required answer. So easily we can find out this question, answer of this question by drawing a rough figure. So in this case option 7, option D is correct. So easy question, all the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 55. Once again, this question based on the chapter 3D, particularly pair of planes in this case. So let us see the question. The locus of represented by this type, x into y plus y into z is equal to 0. Here x, y, z are there, hence must and should be plane. It belongs to the plane concept. So here line is there, this is wrong. Here also this is line is there, wrong. So only this question belongs to planes, either parallel planes or perpendicular planes. First we have to find out the pair of lines are there in this question. So split into single planes, sorry. So this can be written as x into y into z is equal to 0. Here y is take outside, x plus z is equal to 0. So this implies y is equal to 0 or x plus z is equal to 0. Here two planes are obtained. So in this case, if plane is there, it has one normal. So either it normal becomes n1, take as n1. So one direction ratios of n1 is 0 1 0. Here also take n2, second case. into, so here 1 0 1. So find the angle between the normal. It is nothing but angle between the plane. So angle between the normal in this case 0, because angle between the normal is in this case perpendicular 90 degree, because n1 dot n2 is equal to 0, in this case 0 1 0 plus 1 0 0 plus 0 0. So angle between the normal nothing but in this case 90 degree, because dot product becomes 0. So this is equal to the angle between the plane. So here planes are obtained. This is the pair of planes, but that planes are perpendicular. So answer, a pair of perpendicular planes. This is the pair of perpendicular planes. So easy question. Most of the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 56. This question based on the chapter linear programming problem. Let us see the question. Here in this case feasible reason of LPP is shown in the figure. This is the feasible reason. Here objective function is given, z is equal to 3x plus 9y. Then find the minimum value of z occurs at what? So usually according to the statement, minimum or maximum value occurs at the corner points. These are the corner points. So in this case put the corner points in this objective function. Which one is minimum? That is the correct option. So here 5 comma 5 is also corner point. These 4 options are also corner points. Put x comma y in this case. So 5 comma 5 substitute in this case. This becomes 60. This is 60. Output z is equal to 60. So here z is equal to in this case 90. So here z is equal to 180. So this is also z is equal to 180. We have to find out minimum value. Z is equal to 60 at 5 comma 5. This is the correct option. Option A is correct in this case. So this is easy question. All the students solve this question easily, because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. Okay, take down. So now let us move on to the question number 57. Once again this question based on the chapter once again LPP linear programming problem. So let us take in this case maximum of z is given, subject to the constraints are also given. So we have to find out the maximum, either 4 or 8 or 16, as no feasible solution is also there in this case. So draw the rough figure of this constraints. First, so here in this case both two constraints are constraints nothing but lines are parallel, only constant change. So parallel lines, these are parallel lines. First draw the line of this x plus 2y less than or equal to 2. For x is equal to 0, so in this case y1 0 comma 1. Put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 comma 0 here in this place. So join these 2 points, we get the required line. We get the line, this is 0 comma 1. So this line becomes 2x plus 2y equal to 2. So now draw the line x plus 2y equal to 8. Put x is equal to 0, y 4. 0 comma 4 is there in this place. Next y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8 comma 0. So here in this place 8 comma 0 is there. Both are parallel because only constant change in these two lines. X plus 2y is equal to 2. So these two lines are never intersect at any points in this case because both are parallel. So now find the solution region of these two lines. So in this case this is corresponding to this line less than or equal to is there in equation. So it satisfies 0 comma 0. Hence the solution of this region towards the origin. Here greater than or equal to is there. So it does not satisfy 0 comma 0. Hence solution region away from the origin. So here feasible region does not exist. This is empty. So in this case solution of this question is as no feasible solution. So as no feasible solution means maximum does not exist in this case. So easy question, most of the students solve this question easily. Answer of this question is D. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 58. This question based on the chapter probability, particularly random variable. Usually they ask 5 or 6 questions on this chapter in KCET. Here we take in this case first question. For the probability distributions of given by is given. So xi, pi are given. Then find the standard deviation sigma. So using a formula we have to find out the sigma value. So first we have to find out xi into pi and xi square into pi. It is essential. So in this case we have to find out xi into pi. So 0 it becomes 5 by 18. So it becomes 2 by 36. So 2 by 36 means 1 by 18. So total it is equal to 5 by 18, 1 by 18, 6 by 18, 1 by 3. So 6 3s are 18. So now we have to find out xi square into pi. So 0 square into 25 by 36, 0. 1 square same as it is 5 by 18. Next 2 square 4 by 36. So 4 by 36 means what? So 1 by 9. 4 by 36. 2 square 4 by 36. 1 by 9. So in this case we have to 2 2s are 4. 2 8s 18s. 5 plus 2 7 by 18. This is sum. So using a formula, what is that? Variance sigma square is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So expectation of x means xi into pi summation. Expectation of x square means summation of xi square into pi. Substitute the values in this case. 7 by 18 minus 1 by 3 whole square 9. Here we take LCM 18. 7 minus 2 5 by 18. So 5 by 18 sigma square is 5 by 18. We have to find out sigma value. Sigma is equal to square root of 5 by 18, nothing but 9 2s are 18. 9 take outside 1 by 3. Square root of 5 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 3 square root of 5 by 2 is the correct answer. So this is NCERT direct question. All the students solve this question easily because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. And also they has this type of question in theory examination. It carries 3 marks. Here it carries only 1 mark. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 59. This question once again based on the chapter probability, particularly multiplication theorem rule. Let us see the question in this case. A bag contains 17 tickets, number from 1 to 17. A ticket is drawn at random, then another ticket is drawn without replacement. Here very important, without replacement. Here 2 tickets are drawn in this case. 2 events are true events are dependent events because without replacing dependent events. Usually dependent events, on the basis of dependent events we can use the multiplication theorem rule in this case. The first one over the probability that both our tickets may shown even numbers, which is very important, even numbers. So in this case 1 to 17 8 even numbers are there. This is essential, 8 even numbers. So using multiplication theorem rule, required probability is equal to, here 2 events are there, both are dependent events. So first probability of first tickets, so and then find the probability of second tickets when T1 first tickets means T1 already occurred. So here in this case probability of T1 nothing but what? Even ticket may show even. So how many tickets are there? 17. Among these 8 are even, 8 by 17. So then find the probability of T2 when Tn has already occurred. T1 has already occurred. T1 already occurred means what? Here 17 becomes 16. One card lost, one ticket already lost. So that is even ticket. So 16, the even ticket lost means what? It becomes 7, only 7 favorable case, second even ticket. So this is the required answer. So here in this case we have to find out 8 2s 16 answer. So 8 1 7 by 17 2s 34. In this case 7 by 34 is the correct option. So easy question, all the students solve this question easily. Take down. Now let us move on to the last question of this video, question number 60. Once again this question based on the chapter probability, same as it is question number 59, only numerical value changes in this case. So it is depends on a multiplication theorem rule. So if last light 10 batteries are there, out of which 4 are dead, very important, out of which 4 are dead. If 3 batteries are selected, 3 events are there in this case, all these 3 events are independent because without replacement word is there, untested, then the probability that all the 3 are dead. In this case we have to find out the probability of all the 3 are dead. Here mutually without replacement is there, in this case mutually dependent events. So using the rule, multiplication theorem rule, here required probability becomes, first we take first dead battery, in this case probability of B1, and then second dead battery when already B1 occurred, and then third dead battery when already B1 and B2 are occur in this case. So find the answer of this question by using the conditions. Here in this case first dead battery, we can draw the first dead battery among 10. So 4 dead batteries are there. So 4 by 10 into B1 already occurred. So last battery is dead. So remaining is 9. Of 1 dead battery already lost, remaining 3. So and then B1 and B2 both are occur. So sample points becomes 8 in this case. Already 2 are lost. So remaining dead batteries are in this case 2 because already 2 are gone. So simplify this, we get the required answer. 2 4s are 4, 4 cancel, 3 1s are 3 3s are 1 by 30 is the correct answer. In this case option A is correct. So this is also easy question. It is same as question number 59. So all the students solve this question easily. Take down.